Noah, what'd you do here? Come over here and tell me what happened. What you doing?
I'm just making fast Playboy car for my name and Brayden.
You're making a fast what?
Fast Playboy for my name and Noah and Brayden and Mommy and Daddy and Noah.
You're making a fast what? What is this?
Fast. I'm just making fast Playboy car.
Larry Boy car?
Larry Boy car.
Oh. So it's a fast Larry Boy car here with the laundry?
Yeah, first I got to building it really fast.
Okay.
That's my dance.
Are you dancing?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. Whoa, you're spinning. Woo!